Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is about the tutorial of connecting the SIYI ZT30 Gimbal pod to the Skydroid G20 remote controller. The SIYI ZT30 is a high-performance hybrid gimbal pod with 4 integrated sensors, combining a zoom camera, thermal imaging camera, laser rangefinder and wide-angle camera, enabling efficient collaboration across multiple applications. The Skydroid G20 remote controller is equipped with Qualcomm's latest 6nm processor and the Android 13 system, which can easily perform hardware decoding on H.264, H.265 and 4K video streams, and can run all kinds of ground station software smoothly. This video mainly consists of 3 parts. What products will be used in this test? How to connect the wiring? How to present the results? What products will be used in this test? The products used in today's video include SIYI ZT30 Gimbal Pod, Skydroid G20 Remote Controller, and Tata 16,000 mAh battery. The cables used include XT60 to JST and XT30 adapter, ZT30 power cable, ZT30 signal transmission cable, and Skydroid G20 receiver power cable. How to connect the wiring? The signal transmission port of the ZT30 connects to the LAN port of the G20. The ZT30 connector is GH1.259 pin, and the G20 LAN connector is GH1.254 pin. The adapter connects to the battery. The G20 receiver power cable connects to the adapter to power the receiver. The receiver power port uses an XT30 connector, and the other end uses a JST 2.45mm 2-pin connector. The ZT30 power cable is used to supply power to the ZT30. The ZT30 power interface uses an SH 1.254 pin connector, and the power input uses XT30. How to present the results. Open UniGCS in the remote controller. After entering, click the top right corner to select addresses for camera A and camera B. Once selected, the ground station will automatically recognize the gimbal as ZT30. For ZT30, you can choose between thermal imaging and visible light. Return to the flight interface. Tap the small window in the lower right corner to switch screens. The thermal imaging camera supports global, point, and area temperature measurement. You can select any region on the screen, and the system will automatically mark the highest and lowest temperature points within the area and display the corresponding temperature data. The thermal imaging camera also supports palette modes to assign different color schemes for high and low temperature areas, making heat data easier to interpret in various scenarios. Long press the screen for 2 seconds to control camera movement. Click the first icon on the left to quickly control ZT30 gimbal movement. There are 4 shortcuts. Center reset, pitch and you return to center. You'll reset, pitch down. You returns to center, pitch down 90 degrees. You'll reset only. You returns to center, pitch remains unchanged. Pitch down. You'll unchanged, pitch down 90 degrees. Click the second icon on the left to switch multi-sensor display modes. Single view. Main window shows only zoom camera. Single view. Main window shows only wide-angle camera. Single view. Main window shows only thermal camera. Dual view. Left equals zoom camera, right equals thermal camera. Dual view. Left equals wide-angle camera, right equals thermal camera. Dual view. Left equals zoom camera, right equals wide-angle camera. Click the zoom icon on the right to control ZT30 zoom. The ZT30 supports 30 optical zoom and 180 hybrid zoom. The menu in the upper right corner allows you to take photos and record videos, and also displays recording duration. ZT30 is equipped with a high-precision laser rangefinder, supporting a measurement range of 1,200 meters. This concludes the tutorial video on SIYI ZT30 Gimbal Pod connecting to Skydroid G20 remote controller. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. If you have any questions about the video content, or if you would like us to provide more in-depth explanations in future videos, please leave us a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel, where we will continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials and practical guides. See you in the next video.